Hey guys, I'm going to be creating a Scarecrow makeup look for Halloween. Going to use a variety of palettes, including Italian Spritz palette, Brown Sugar Cinnamon palette, Stone Cold Fox palette, and I'm going to try to put on falsies, so wish me luck. Let's get started. Okay, starting off by priming my eyes using About Face Eyeshadow Primer. Then I'm going in with my Brown Sugar Cinnamon palette and creating a brown / golden, earthy, warm type eye look that I think suits the Scarecrow look. Can't neglect that lower lash line. Applying that same brown shade to the lower lash line to create some congruency in this look. Okay, here I am going in with an angled brush, then going in with that brown shade and just drawing an extended wing. I think this is really helpful for later tracing over with my liquid liner. And here I am dipping into one of the champagne shimmery shades to highlight my inner corners to widen the eyes. Okay, so now I'm going in with my liquid liner and drawing an extended wing on both sides. Okay, personal preference, but I like to take Urban Decay 24/7 colored eye pencil. I'm using brown here, and I just like to trace over my liner and also line the lower lash line. Okay, so I feel like this look kind of calls for a bronzy type look because it's like a scarecrow being out in the sun for a long time. So I'm using my Bare Minerals highlighter / bronzing blush and I'm applying that all over my face. Okay, now it's the intimidating part, lashes, and I'm back. Miraculously, it wasn't that terrible today. They kind of just popped on for some weird reason. Okay, I'm using the Ofra highlighter and using it to highlight my inner corners and the brow bone because it really makes your eyes pop. Okay, but can you believe the Italian Spritz palette actually has an orange shade that is perfect for this look? It's called Capri Fun. Okay, but I'm first going to sketch the shape of the stitched on nose. So I'm going in with an angled brush and one of the darker shades in the Stone Cold Fox palette and just tracing out that shape. Okay, now I'm going in with Capri Fun from Italian Spritz palette and I'm going to color in the stitched on nose. Now I'm going in with the Capri Fun and applying it to my cheeks and using it as blush. It's such a fun and bright orange. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with my Colourpop Stone Cold Fox palette and I'm going to draw some fun patches and stitches. I'm going to apply some stitches across my lips as well. These are just fun aesthetic effects that really bring the Scarecrow look to life. Okay, so here I am applying my Urban Decay Vice lipstick on Horchata, and I'm also layering on top of that my Lancome Absolute Rouge lip gloss. And here I am taking that super fun orange shade Capri Fun and just shading in the patches. Okay, to make everything really pop, I'm going over the outlines with my liquid eyeliner and then also adding some more stitching effects. Okay, also totally optional, but I'm also going in with a brush and a deep brown shade from the Colourpop Stone Cold Fox palette and drawing on some freckles because I think it adds a really cute aesthetic touch. Hey guys, this is the finished look. I actually think it came out okay, pretty good. I'm not an artist, but yeah, and it's actually really funny that I ended up using my Italian Spritz palette. Like, who would have thunk that it had this perfect orange shade for this look? And again, like I always say, I always go back to the Stone Cold Fox palette. It's actually super versatile and very pigmented and perfect for Halloween looks. But yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know if you guys try it out. I am by no means an artist, so if I can do it, I think you can too. And I hope everyone has a happy Halloween.